Wadoke siasa jotelo mag duond bura mar ODM bade ma Nairobi medo chung' ka tiendgi ka giwacho ni duond bura mar ODM biro siro jatend piny Kenya William Ruto yiero mabiro e kom mar tend piny ka gin gibiro chung' e kombe modong' duto. Ka giloso romo margi mokwongo e boma ma Nairobi otelne kod jakom margi George Aladwa. Chulogo wacho ni duond bura mar ODM pod ni kod mbii moingo duond buche mamoko e kaunti ma Nairobi. Bende giseo gaye mar DCP Rigathi Gachagua kuom tiyo kod weche ma ok ochomo yo.
Our decision to work with the President William Ruto's administration is guided by the national interest, the need for stability, and the desire to address the challenges facing Kenyans. We welcome and support the outcome of the ODM and UDA leaders' retreat in Naivasha earlier this week.
ODM as a party will support President William Ruto for presidency. That is one. The party leaders pronounced himself. We had thought he would vie for the presidency, but he has said himself that he supports the presidency of Mheshimiwa Ruto. In that sense, ODM will field candidates from the deputy president to the ward level.
Our party ODM is the largest party in Nairobi. Ukiona City Hall, MCS wote majority ni Nairobi, ni ODM. Sisi tumesimama hapa tukiuza party yetu. Tunasema yule anataka governor akuje kwa party ya ODM. Akitaka kura zetu akuje hapa. Na asipokuja yule atasimama ndio tutaenda na yeye.
Hata naona aliyekuwa makamu wa rais Mheshimiwa Gachagua akitusiana kila siku, aleta propaganda hii leo, aleta propaganda hii kesho, awache mambo mengi, akutane na Rais Ruto kwa debe 2027. Na asifikia Rais Ruto ana wafuasi, sisi tayari hatuna presidential candidate na tumeshakubali ya kwamba tutamunga Ruto mkono na tutamfanyia campaign hasa hapa Nairobi.